Good afternoon everybody. Now we're going to go ahead with the second module, that is time value of money. What is time value of money? In simple words, the value of money is not constant, it changes as the time passes by. Now why does this happens? This happens because of the time preference for money. Now what is time preference for money? That is, any person would like to have money right now rather than waiting for it in future. Why? Because there are investment opportunities available right now where he can invest and get higher returns in future. The future is uncertain, he's not sure whether he will really get it in future, and he wants to consume everything right now. That is the preference for the present consumption. So because of these three reasons, people prefer having money right now, and that leads to change in the value of money. Further, the time value of money can be divided into two broad concepts. One is the present value of money, another is the future value of money. Let us just understand what are these two concepts first. Present value means the value of future cash flows at present. Means, suppose you are going to get 10,000 rupees after 10 years. What would be its value today? If you are trying to find out its today's value, then we are finding out present value. In other words, or otherwise, future value is a value of present cash flows on a future date. Means, suppose you are going to invest 10,000 rupees today. What would be the value of that 10,000 after 10 years? That is on a future date. Is called as the future value of money. Present value of money can be further classified into four parts, that is present value of lump sum, present value of annuity, loan amortization, or it is also called as loan recovery, and present value of perpetuity. To understand these four concepts of present value, first we need to understand what is lump sum and what is annuity. Lump sum is a whole sum of money at once. Means you're going to get that entire amount at once and not in part. Whereas annuity talks about installment, that is, you're going to get the money what you really require in parts, not as a whole. So lump sum means whole sum of money and annuity means installment. Further, let's try to understand this concept of present value of money. Okay. Under present value of money, the first part, as we discussed, is about present value of lump sum. I'll repeat it once again. Lump sum means whole sum of money at once, and annuity means money received or invested in parts. So present value of lump sum means we are finding out the today's value of a lump sum future value. The formula is PVL, that is lump sum, is equal to future value into bracket 1 upon 1 plus I raised to n, where PVL stands for present value of lump sum, FV stands for future value, I is the discount factor or interest rate, and n is the number of years. Let us take a simple example to make us understand what this particular concept is. Mr. A is going to receive 10,000 rupees after 10 years. What would be its value today if the rate of interest is 10% per annum? So first we need to understand and analyze whether this particular problem is related to present value or future value. For that we have to see the question. What would be its value today is asked. So when I say what would be its value today, it is related to present value. Now what is given to us? Mr. A is going to receive 10,000 rupees after 10 years. That means this is the future value which is given to us, 10,000 rupees. When he is going to receive it? 10 years. That is nothing but your n. So substitute the same value in the formula when I is equal to 10%. So 10,000 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 0.10, the whole raised to 10. 1.10, 0.10 comes from 10 divided by 100. 10% is 10 divided by 100. So 10,000 is equal to, now if you just simplify this particular bracket, that is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 0.10 raised to 10, you get 0.3855. So 0.3855 into 10,000 will give you 3,855. Now what is this 3,855? 3,855 is the today's value of 10,000 which you are going to receive after 10 years. So receiving 10,000 after 10 years at 10% is equal to receiving 3,855 rupees immediately. This is the entire concept of present value of lump sum. Thank you.